Hey everybody, Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We're here with Choi from Hero Factory. And what do you got right there?
This is Korean startup hat.
Okay. Do I have to wear it while I play the game? Is that how that works?
If you wear the hat, you can play well.
Oh, playing better wearing the hats. Let's see what I got. How do I look?
Looking good.
Do I look good? Yeah. All right. Where's your hat?
My hat right here. You want me to wear?
Yeah, let's wear the hats. Let's spin the thing and wear the hats. Oh, you're gonna do it like that. You're old school. Okay. All right, I like that. That's a lot better. All right. So, what is Hero Factory?
This is basically RPG game, RPG idle game.
Okay.
That managing factories, that creating heroes to fight against powerful monsters.
So you're creating an industrial park, basically, right? Okay. So it's like a sim style game play.
Yeah, a simulation game.
Yeah. So you start out with a little bit of land, you build your first building, then you build it up from there, so on and so forth, right?
Yeah, you should defeat the monsters to get monies. If you get enough monies, you can build another factories that creating more powerful heroes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's crazy. So how does this? Well, besides the fact that you're doing industrial, is there any other features on this game that set it apart from any other type of sim style game?
It's especially it's a comic casual style.
Okay.
And very cute characters.
Okay. Oh, so you got little challenges. That's a little arcade style challenge.
Yeah.
That's some sort of cat. You got to beat them up or something. Is that like a chicken cat or something?
Created heroes going up to the top level.
Okay.
And they can fight to the.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's switching between it was like a chicken pig, and then it was like a boar, and now it's like a slime thing. That's a stage boss. How many levels are on this game?
How many levels?
Yeah.
Is basically it's endless content.
Endless content.
Yeah.
So, how long have you guys been doing this program?
It's been 3 years.
3 years. It's iOS and Android, correct?
Both market is open.
Okay, perfect.
And especially 90% of our users are from overseas.
Okay.
And 30% of is in the US.
Okay. No, it's 31% now because I'm going to get on it, right? And I'm a whole percent. That's where I rate on this whole thing. So in-app purchases, I'm guessing. What's the lowest price in-app purchase?
Minimum is $1.9.
Okay, $1.99 for a simple upgrade, but you do not need to do any of the in-app purchases, correct?
Actually, it's free to access, but if you want to level up, purchase 1.9 minimum.
Yeah, dollar. So if you want to do the upgrade, it's $1.99 minimum. So, what are the planned upgrades from now until the end of the year?
Actually, we've been producing new games right now. Servicing new.
Oh, so you're holding on this. You got other games in this series.
We're here to promoting our newest games.
Okay.
So
what are the newer games?
it's a both idle game. It's called Idle Billionaire Tycoon.
Okay. We got 3 games here. So it looks like we got Scrap Metal Factory, Idle Billionaire Tycoon, and of course Hero Factory, which is what we were talking about right there. So the Billionaire Tycoon is the one we're looking at, or is it the Scrap Metal Factory?
Both games we're expecting to promote our games.
Okay. And have they launched already?
They have launched already both Google Play Store and App Store. Yeah.
Okay. And once again, we're on the freemium model and in-app purchase.
Access, but
yeah,
if you level up, you should watch a little bit advertisements and pay.
Okay. So you got in-app ads if you're not paying for it. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Is it better played on a phone or is it better played on a tablet?
I think it's better on a phone.
Okay.
But if you want to watch more characters in large screen,
okay,
you can play in a tab.
Okay. Is this is this vertical gaming as opposed to landscape?
Every game that we promoting is all the vertical.
All vertical.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, it would work out better. All right. Well, where do people go to find out about all of these games?
Just Google Play Hard.
Okay.
Google Play Hard. You
Okay.
can see our.
All right.
all the
That's
games,
perfect.
yeah.
So if you go to the Google Play Store, you go to the iOS store, look for Play Hard, and you'll see these games within the infrastructure right there. So, all right. Well, thank you very much for your time, and I appreciate that. Hero Factory, of course, the Billionaire Tycoon, what was that? Idle Billionaire Tycoon and Scrap Metal Factory, all about industry rather than fashion or anything. That's kind of cool there. So all right, 감사합니다. And thanks a lot for watching. Jeffrey Powers here from Geekazine. We got a lot more videos coming here from the Korea US Summit here in New York City. So go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, that bell notification, ring that so you know when the next video comes out. Till next time, you guys geek out and game on.